Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I will show you all controls and gestures on your headphones Soundcore Q20i. You can play and pause the song by pressing one time at this power button. So press on it, and now I pause the song, press again, and I play a song. To increase the volume, use volume up button, would look like a plus, so press on it or press quickly, and you will increase the volume. And to lower the volume, use volume down button, would look like a minus, so again press or press quickly, and we have it. Now to play next track, you should press and hold volume up button. Here we go. And to play previous track, you should press and hold volume down button. Also, right here we have ANC button, and now if you press 2 times, you will call, if you press and hold, you will call your assistant. I have iOS, so I call it Siri, but if you have Android, you will call Google Assistant. So press and hold. Now release your finger, and as you can see, Siri is awake. Also, by this button, we can enable ANC mode or transparency. So press 1 time, and you enable ANC mode, and if you press again, you will enable transparency mode. Also, if someone calls to you, you can answer the call by pressing 1 time at this power button. So press 1 time, I answer the call. If you press 1 more, you will finish the call. And you can reject the call by press and hold on this power button. Here we go. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!